I'm back now. I ran out of time on my lunch break, so I'm just grabbing a minute in the park to film the rest of it before I head home. Okay, I'll just turn the camera. Okay. So this is where we was up to. That's at the back of the envelope that will be sewn in. And on the next page, I haven't decorated the top and the bottom yet, but I've used part of the Petal Fairy kit there, and there's another postcard from it there with a snail on it for a tab. And the back of that tissue box, I've just added some bits at the top and the bottom. But I really like the colourfulness of it, so I've just decorated part of it. And this squirrel came in a newsletter through the door. It was for kids to colour in, following some numbers to make a squirrel. And I thought, well, squirrels go with fairies, so it can go in my journal. Okay, and then the next section, the fourth signature, the last tissue box. That's the pattern of the tissue box, which is gorgeous. So I'm not going to cover it all up, but that's all I've done so far on that page. And then the next page, I put a pocket, which I've added a couple of tags into. And then this one also added a pocket to tag in there. I'll be adding some more little bits to there as well. And then this is the flower show page. I've not finished the top, but this was the opening, so it's covered up on this one. And this is 3D. So basically layered a lot of flowers from the Petal Fairy kit. I shouldn't name them in a name that I can't actually say, should I? And that's my flower show. This is the end of a bit of lace that was trimmed off, so that's stuck on there. And that's one of my stamped images that I showed before. And it's got some threads underneath. A little bit of decoration there, probably add some words up there. And then the back of it, I've got a die cut there, which I will add more decoration to. The other sides, there's not much done on the other sides, but I'll quickly show you. And the frame, I've put one of the fairies from the kit I'm using. I've done a pocket there, nothing in it yet. I'll decorate the top there. That's that one. The other side of this one, in this pocket, I put that from the kit. And then a bit of folded up chocolate wrapper there, and a folded up envelope. That's the inside of an envelope. I've left the rest because look at this gorgeous bird. You don't want to be covering that, do you, really? And then I've just added some bits to this page, but left a lot of the birds too because it's so gorgeous. And then the next one, I've just done that on there. And this one, I've just had one of the fairies on that page and not started covering that page, but that's all. So I'll update you when I've done a bit more. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed that little walk.